Opposition Senator Risa Hontiveros is urging the Philippine National Police to ensure the accurate number of fugitive Apollo Quiboloy's firearms. During the May 2 hearing of the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality, Hontiveros mentions in passing her previous appeal for a shorter deadline for Quiboloy to surrender his guns. The opposition senator then notes the need to ensure that these weapons are only 19, as previously disclosed by the PNP.
Ulitin ko lang po yung hiling ko kina Chief PNP sa inyo pong lahat na baka hindi umabot sa 6 na buwan yung period na makuha yung mga yon at matiyak na 19 lang ba talaga, kasi kahit sa social media posts nung mala private army niya parang mas marami pa sa 19.
Hontiveros also hopes the process in the Senate or in the courts will not take half a year.
And I hope that our processes dito man sa Senate or sa mga korte natin or baka pa sa ibang bansa will not take half a year. So sana sumabay or mauna pa yung aksyon ng ating pambansang kapulisan.
Despite his possession of several firearms, the PNP previously dismissed allegations that Quiboloy is armed and dangerous. Meanwhile, Davao and Pasig courts have separately issued arrest orders against Quiboloy for sexual abuse and human trafficking charges. Apart from these orders, the Senate Panel on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality, headed by Hontiveros, also issued a warrant of arrest against the controversial sect leader.